What was the layout of a Roman legionary marching camp? Imagine waking up in a Roman camp during a campaign. Every detail of the camp's layout was carefully planned to keep soldiers safe and ready for action. That's what we're exploring today. Roman marching camps, called castra, were built every night during military campaigns. Their design was always the same, no matter where they were. This consistency helped keep discipline high and made sure everyone knew their place. Usually, the camp was square or rectangular with rounded corners. The shape was chosen to make the walls stronger and to prevent weak spots. Around the outside, a wall called a vallum was built. It was made from earth and had a ditch outside it. The earth wall was about 4 meters high and 1 meter wide, while the ditch was roughly 3 meters deep and 4 meters wide. Soldiers carried stakes called valli, which they placed on top of the wall to make a wooden fence called a palisade. The camp had 4 main gates, one in the middle of each side. These gates faced north, south, east, and west. They allowed soldiers to move quickly in and out and helped organize the camp's defenses. Inside, the space was divided into a grid pattern. The most important spot was the center, where the commander's tent, called the praetorium, was located. Nearby, the standards of the legion were kept safe in their own tents. Around the praetorium, the tents of senior officers like tribunes were arranged in a circle or ring. The rest of the camp was divided into sections for each century, a group of about 80 men. Each century had its own area with tents arranged in rows. The tents were placed back to back, with a street or pathway between them. The centurion, who led each century, had a slightly larger tent at the end of the row. The centuries were grouped together, with space left for mules and baggage carts. Along the inside edge of the wall was a clear space called the intervallum. This area served many purposes. It allowed soldiers to quickly reach the rampart if attacked. It also stored captured goods and animals, and acted as a buffer zone to catch enemy missiles. Inside the intervallum, a service road called the Via Sagularis ran along the wall. This road connected all parts of the camp, making it easy to move supplies or respond to threats. The camp was always set up in a way that prioritized defense and practicality. The location was chosen carefully, often on a hill facing the slope, near water and wood. The ground was cleared and leveled before building began. During construction, one cohort from each legion stood guard while others built the camp. This layout made the Roman army highly mobile and organized. It allowed them to stay safe, move quickly, and keep their long campaigns going across many different terrains. The marching camp was more than just a resting place. It was a fortress on the move, built with smart engineering and strict discipline.